Hi, welcome to Math for All, where everyone can learn more about math. Today, we will take manipulating equations to the next level. These are where we have to solve for a given variable, but that variable is located in a few different places, and we'll have to get them together using our algebra skills. I normally see these types in Algebra 2, but I wanted to give you this resource in case you encounter it. When you see literal equations like these, where the target letter, the letter that we're solving for, is in different places, use these amazing steps. 1. Get the target variable out of any parentheses by using the distributive property. 2. Get the target variable out of the denominator by using multiplication. 3. Move all target variable terms to one side and the others to the other side. 4. Factor out the target variable from one side. And 5. Divide both sides by what's left over to get that target variable by itself. Here's our first example. Solve xa plus 2a equals 7b for a. Notice that the a is in two places, which is going to cause us big trouble. We can't combine these two because they are not like terms. We'll just call in the big guns using step number 4. We're going to factor out the a from them. The a goes in front, start the parentheses, put in what's left over, x plus 2, end parentheses. Reminder that if you use the distributive property on this, it gets us back to where we started. So it's legal and equivalent and also super helpful. After this, we are set up for success. The a is by itself, and that x plus 2 is annoying it by multiplying, so we'll use division to get rid of it. A equals 7b over x plus 2. Nice. Next up, look at this guy. Solve 9h equals 2 plus 3i over I for I. This example starts at step 2. What I want to do is move things around to get the i's together. But to do that, my first step is to get rid of this I that's in the denominator. I'll multiply both sides by I. For 9hi equals 2 plus 3i. Now, I'll get the two terms with I in them on the same side. Subtracting 3i from both sides is 9hi minus 3i equals 2. Hopefully, you can see that we can factor out the I from both terms. I parentheses 9h minus 3 end parentheses. And since the 9h minus 3 is annoying my sweet I, we'll remove him by dividing both sides by 9h minus 3. I equals 2 over 9h minus 3. Awesome job. Last one, best one for today. Solve a times 5x minus 3c equals d times rx minus 9 for x. Those x's are separated and locked inside these parentheses. We get to start at step 1 here. So what we'll do is distribute the letters in front first. 5ax minus 3ac equals drx minus 9d. Skip step 2 since there's no denominators, and on to step 3. We get any terms with x's on one side and then the other terms on the other side. Subtract drx and add 3ac to both sides. For 5ax minus drx equals 3ac minus 9d. Cool. We can now factor out the x. X parentheses 5a minus dr equals 3ac minus 9d. Now we just divide by 5a minus dr for the final answer of x equals 3ac minus 9d divided by 5a minus dr. It's kind of a weird looking equation, but that is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. You are incredible for learning how to solve these advanced literal equations. I hope you can see that with the steps, it can definitely be done. And please come back to keep learning more about math.